Hello everyone, and welcome to today's safety review of the BMW 5 Series, where we take a deep dive into its Euro NCAP crash test results. The frontal offset test showed that the passenger compartment remained stable, with good protection for both driver and passengers' knees and femurs. BMW also demonstrated that it offers the same level of protection for occupants of different sizes and positions. Moving on to the full-width rigid barrier test, the protection for both the driver and rear passenger was mostly good, with only a few areas receiving an adequate rating. In the side barrier test, the 5 Series excelled, earning maximum points. However, in the side pole impact, the car showed slight vulnerability, particularly in the chest area, which received a marginal rating due to rib compression. The control of excursion was excellent, though, and the occupant-to-occupant injury countermeasures performed well in this test. BMW has equipped the 5 Series with advanced safety technologies, such as an e-call system and automatic post-impact braking. Impressively, BMW demonstrated that the doors and windows of the 5 Series would remain functional long enough for occupants to escape if the car entered water. What do you think of the BMW 5 Series' performance in these crash tests? Leave us a comment with your thoughts and tell us which car you'd like us to test next. Also, let us know if there's anything we can do to improve these reviews. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on the latest crash tests, and let us know your thoughts on our video in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with the future of driving. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.